which is 495.7, and below that you see 33.2 is the average mileage. What a beautiful road. See how thick the forest is. So gorgeous.
Good morning. This is the place we were in. It was decent. It was okay. Very close to the temple, and now we're leaving. It's what, 10:40 now. We finished darshan at the temple, and now we're going towards Bangalore. On the way, we're going to visit Devaramane. It's a peak, and then from there, we'll go to Bangalore. Let's go.
Okay, so we just finished Kalaseshwara temple at Kalasa. Right now there's some hanging bridge close to this place, so we're going there. After that, we are going to Devaramane Gutta, Devaramane Betta. It's a nice viewpoint. If you're leaving from the hanging bridge, I didn't even go there, the boys went there. Saw the place, nothing much to see, it's just a hanging bridge. That's the bridge. That's the bridge. That's the stream of the river. I've been riding more than an hour. Not an hour, I think about 45 minutes from Kalsa. And these are just gorgeous. These roads are just so awesome. It just doesn't let me stay straight. I just need to keep leaning either this side or that side. Now it's just kept me working. I think by the time I go back home, I've lost about 5 kgs of weight on the waist. It's just beautiful. I'm enjoying every inch of this. Weather's good, but I am feeling hot obviously. I'm wearing the jacket and everything else. But just look at this place. Wow. This is a good practice session for me before the Ladakh ride. I need to get fuel in the tank. I've done about 377 kilometers on a full tank, and there's a range of another 82 kilometers. That's what the dash says. So, just to show you, this shows me that I'm getting about 33 mileage for my riding. I don't know if that is true, but that's what it's showing. It's just nice. Just being a little slow because the boys are still behind. A lot of curves. The map says there are a lot of curves ahead. It's going to be awesome. Let's go.
Yeah, that's where we park the bikes and the cars. We're going on top to the viewpoint. This is how you go, reach on top. But already the view here is great. I'm sure on top it's even gonna be better. Oh, it's steep. The higher we go, the better the view gets. That road will lead to Moodigire. But yeah, beautiful place. Oh, yes, the view only gets better. Oh my god. Just look at this. Wow. awesome place. Just take a look. Oh wow. This Setu. This is the valley. This is the valley. Climbing down the slope. Wow, look at this view. So pretty. Actually, there it's foggy. There are a lot of mountains there. Look at those peaks there. Come on, ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ನಾ ಬಂದೆ ನೋಡೆನ್ನುತ್ತ ನಲೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಂದೇಶವ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
One eternity later.
Okay, so now we're in Hassan. We just finished dinner. It is what time now? I don't know, maybe 7:30. So I have with me Nidish. Nidish, tell me, how was the trip?
Oh, trip was awesome. Though I have visited this place earlier, but I think today and yesterday we visited few places which we have never been before. So this was very exciting. Looking forward for many more such trips together.
Super. Had fun, Nidish. Thanks so much for
Thank you
making
so
my
much.
trip awesome. So ಈ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಏನು ಹೈಲೈಟೆಡ್?
ಹೈಲೈಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಬುತೀರ್ಥ
okay.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡೋಂಥ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅದು.
ಓಕೆ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು. ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರಬೇಕು.
ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಿ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಓ ಯಸ್.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. So this is Dhruva. He was with us on the bike. He was riding the KTM. So you would have seen those footages. So Dhruva, tell me in 2 lines how the trip was.
Awesome. More than what I could imagine for my first ride, and I should thank the entire team. I'm not a part of this, but you guys took me as I was a part of this team. So very grateful, and you and Ritesh have been very kind, giving me signals, giving me a lot of stops and making me feel very comfortable. So I think the best ride. I think you've set the bar very high. I think the future rides I'll have a lot of expectations. If it doesn't match that, I think I'm going to be disappointed.
But you were fun, man. You were fun, and thanks
Thank
for
you.
making our trip special. And we look forward to more such
Yeah, absolutely.
rides. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy. So this is Jibu. He was riding the Dominar. So you must have seen that cool-looking Dominar passing by.
And Venu was in the Himalaya. He was riding very fast, very rash. He was not safe at all on the road. Dangerous for others.
Come
You
on,
all will
man.
see this video.
No, don't do this.
That's a very safe bike, okay, guys. Seriously, it was a good ride. It was a fun ride. Fantastic stuff.
How was the place?
Place was awesome. Good place. Good for bikers to come in there. I think you should come in more there. There are a lot of hidden places more. I think we couldn't explore everything because of shortage of time. Yeah. Otherwise, I think I think I will. If nobody, but I will make a visit personally once again. My Domino is ready to go. And I will ask him if he comes and fine. Otherwise,
Of course, I'll come. Thanks, man. Thanks for making my ride special. Sito, my close buddy, was in the car with Nidish and Timanna.
ಹೇಳು ಗುರು, ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು? ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದ ರೈಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್?
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ಸೂಪರ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫುಡ್, ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ ಇಂದ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡ್ರೈವ್. ನಿಮ್ ಬೈಕ್ಗಳದಾಗ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ ಕಾರ್ದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನೋಡಿರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ರೈಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರೈಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Very nice. So we will look forward for more. Thank you, Situ, for making our ride special. Thank you. Ritesh was on this most special bike of this trip.
Yeah, of course.
That is RX 135 2000 model.
2003.
2003 model. And the bike sound was just music to all our ears. So Ritesh, just in 2 lines, share with us your experience of this particular ride.
Definitely an awesome, ride. We could have done even more better if I had a, more upgraded bike.
No, it was
So
awesome.
now, I think so. I need to upgrade my bike very soon.
We'll
So
go
the next
bike
ride-
shopping in the next week.
Yeah, that's the plan for the next week.
Okay.
Good bike shopping. The next ride and with an upgraded bike for sure.
What do you think about the places we visit?
Amazing place.
How are the
All
roads?
should visit. Of course. I mean, I would rather say it's sexy than I have no other word for that.
Sexy because of a lot of curves.
Of course. People who loves to drive in those curves, it's an amazing. It's like heaven.
Super. Thank you.
All right.
For
Thank
making
you so
this
much.
ride special.
Oh, definitely, it was
We will
always
have,
with you.
We'll have a lot more coming.
Definitely.
Thanks.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Leaving Hassan at 7:53. Wow, we're late. We spent a lot of time having dinner, so yeah, we're leaving now, and hoping that we will reach Bangalore by 11:30. That's how much time it will take. Anyway, so let's get going. We're just exiting Hassan right now. So interestingly, I was looking at the numbers. The number of the distance we've covered, which is 495.7, and below that you see 33.2 is the average mileage that the bike has given me, and that's a little surprising for me because I didn't hold back anything. I was just riding in my own style. I'm a kind of guy who won't abuse the bike. I stretch the bike, I stretch the bike, and but I won't redline it. That's when you screw up your engine. So not bad at all for this bike. I mean, very powerful, very strong performance by the motorcycle, but mileage has really surprised me. That's the overall mileage. Trip to 107 kilometers. So in the last 107 kilometers, it's showing me 33.6. That's awesome mileage. Anyway, good. So now we're joining the Bangalore highway, and we'll see you later. Okay, you can see the headlight performance. It's just rubbish. High beam, low beam. High beam, low beam. Nothing is actually visible, I think. I just don't even see the lights. What the hell? But I put auxiliary lights from HJG. This is the yellow light. This is the white light. Sure, this is a little more visible. So if you are buying Himalayan, add lights, please. Otherwise, night driving is almost impossible.